In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the create query from MCodeMonkey. And the first thing I want to call out is that I actually am running right now, Monkey Tools is in free mode. And I want to make sure that you're aware that this works for free licenses. Part of the big reason for this is because I actually do a lot of help online where I help people, and people will give me M code and I need to look at it for a variety of reasons. So rather than have to go into the Power Query editor, into the advanced editor, paste some code, close it to look at it, I wanted an easy way to make this happen. So we've actually provided two entry points for this. One of them is right here under the Create Query button. Another one is under the Create Query from M code. You can see a lot of the menus grayed out because we're not in Pro mode, but this one will absolutely work. Now the question is, of course, I need to get some M code first to work with this. So let's just hop into BiblioMonkey. Again, remember I am in free mode. I'm going to grab the sales query right here, and I'm going to choose to copy this one. So it comes back and it wants me to put in a year and a location. So I'm going to go and grab a couple of pieces here, and I'm going to say copy. And this will copy the adjusted M code from the BiblioMonkey after the prompting. Now I can just say exit, or I can keep it open. I'm going to go right to create query here. And this is going to be my 2013 tax evader sales, I believe, is what I chose. I'm going to Control A, Control V, and at this point in time, I can now go and choose to load this to connection only, the data model, table, whatever I'd like to do. I'm just going to hit create and load this to a table. Now, if I do need to fill in any prompting or security or anything like that, it will prompt me to do so, but you can see that there we go. Working entirely in free mode, I've been able to pull some stuff out of BiblioMonkey, paste it right into that create query from M code, and away I go. Another way that I'll use this is if I need to create a blank query for some reason or something very simple, I can actually go and click on this and I can say, hey, you know what? This is going to be a blank query. All I need to do is just remove the monkey tools from the center here and hit create. I'm going to load this as connection only. And there we go. I have a blank query available that I can go and start throwing stuff into if I need to as well. So that's an easy way to make things happen as well. This is the create query from M code, originally really designed for people who are helping others in forums and whatnot to really quickly create connection only or table or data model queries for further analysis. But at the end of the day, it can be very useful for free users who are copying items out of BiblioMonkey as well, because they don't have the ability to inject them directly via our right-click menu in this particular case. So there you go. That is the create query from MCodeMonkey. I hope you'll find it useful. Thanks for watching this episode of Using Monkey Tools. To get your own monkey, visit our website at monkeytools.ca. Or if you subscribe to Skillwave's Self-Service Business Intelligence Academy, you'll get a free annual pro license included with your subscription. And remember, Monkey Tools was developed to support better Excel and Power BI solutions. If you want to learn how to really master these tools, you should definitely check out our full course catalog at skillwave.training.